Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve question related with angles, exercise 2. In previous video, I have given definition of angles, different types of angle, supplementary angle, and vertically opposite angle. Right? Now today I am going to solve exercise 2. Question number 1. 7 first. An angle is equal to its supplement. Find the angle. My dear student, I have given you definition. Supplement angle. What do you mean by supplement angle? If the sum of two angles is 180 degree. What is that? If the sum of two angles is 180 degree. So then they are called supplementary angles. So let two angles is there. How many angles is there? Two angles is there. So let one angle be x. Let one angle be x. Its supplement angle. Its supplement angle. What will be there? 180 degree minus x. Why 180 degree minus x? The sum of two angles is 180 degree. Now, according to question, what the question is telling? According to question, an angle is equal means x is equal to its supplement means 180 degree minus x. You have studied, my dear student. When minus will go opposite side, minus will change into plus. So x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now what you will do? X plus x. X plus x, what will be there? X plus x, 2x is equal to 180 degree. So x, what you will write? 180 degree divided by 2. When you will divide 180 with 2, then 90 will come. So what is your answer? 90 degree. And both are equal, so your answer is 90 degree and 90 degree. Understood now? Now the second question is there. Same question 7, second I am going to solve. An angle is equal to its complement angle. Find the angle. Complement angle, my dear student, I have given you definition. The sum of two angles is 90 degree. That is called complement angle. Let one angle be x. One angle be x. Now its complement angle. Complement angle is equal to 90 degree minus x. Will be there or not? According to question, again, according to question, x is equal to what you will write? 90 degree minus x. So to simplify, what you will do? Minus will come opposite side. So minus will convert into plus or not? So x plus x equal to 90 degree. Now x plus x, both is variable term, so 2x is equal to 90 degree. Now x is equal to what you will write? X is equal to 90 degree divided by 2. When you will divide, it will become 45 degree. So what is the value of angle? 45 degree is your answer. Now understood? Thank you. I am going to solve question number 9. What is question number 9? First, two angles are supplementary. Two angles are supplementary. If one of them is 1/3 of the other, find the angles. Means both the angle you have to find. Now what you will take? Let one angle be x. What you will say, my dear student? What you will say? Let one angle be x. Its supplement angle. Its supplement angle, sum of two angle is 180 degree. That is called supplement angle. Its supplement angle is equal to, you will write 180 degree minus x. 180 degree minus x. But what the question is telling, my dear student? According to question, x is equal to 1/3 of the other, means 1/3. Its supplement angle 180 degree minus x. But what the question is telling? First question, first number is supplement angle is 1/3. One is x, then another is 1/3x. So one is x, then another will be 180 degree minus x. Understood? Now what you will do, my dear student? You multiply, cross multiplication x with 3. So what you will write? 3x equal to 180 degree minus x. 180 degree minus x. Like term, what you will do? 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 4x is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. X is equal to, what you will write? 180 degree divided by 4. So when you will divide 180 with 4, it will become 45 degree. What is the value of x? X is equal to 45 degree. Now its supplement angle, another angle, two angles we are going to find out. Its supplement angle, its supplement angle is equal to, what you will write? 180 degree minus x, 180 degree. And what is the value of x? 45 degree. So what it will come? 135 degree. Means your answer is, what is your answer? So your answer is 45 degree and 135 degree. It is your answer. Understood? Number 14 first. In the adjoining figure, angle LON and angle MON form a linear pair. Find the value of x. You have studied, my dear student, linear pair means sum of two angles is 180 degree. According to question, angle LON plus angle MON is equal to, what will write? 180 degree. And the value of angle LON is 4x degree. So you will write, what you will write, my dear student? 4x and plus MON, angle MON, what is the value? 2x. So you will write 2x is equal to 180 degree. So now 4x plus 2x, that is equal to 6x. What you will write? 6x is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to, what you will write? 180 degree divided by 6. 180 degree if you will divide with 6, it will come 30 degree. So what is your answer? X is equal to 30 degree is your answer. Understood now? Now I am going to solve question number 16. Find the value of x in each of the following. So 16 first. Question is there. You have studied one complete term is equal to 360 degree. In this question, you are going to find the value of x. So all the variable terms and here constant term. So constant term will be like with variable term, and then you can find the value of x. Understood now? So what you will write, my dear student? From here I am going to start 45 degree plus x degree plus 60 degree plus 40 degree plus 100 degree plus 75 degree is equal to what you will write? 360 degree. What you will write? 360 degree. One complete turn is there, and one complete turn is equal to what I said? 360 degree. Because now what you will do? You add this constant term 45 degree plus 60 degree plus 40 degree plus 100 degree and plus 75 degree. It will come 320 degree. What you will write? 320 degree and plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Understood now? So what is the value of x? You have studied, my dear student. Variable term, constant term can be subtracted with constant term. So when this plus sign is there, opposite sign will go, sign will become minus. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 320 degree. What is the value of x? My dear student, 0 minus 0, what you will write? 0. 6 minus 2, 4. So 40 degree is your answer. Understood now? Now question number 18. See this one. In the given figure, if y is equal to 30 degree, find first condition is that x, second is z, and third question is u. My dear student, I have given when two non-parallel lines meet at a point, then vertically opposite angles are equal. My dear student, see this one. This one is your straight line. Correct? So x degree plus y is equal to what? 180 degree. This is called linear pair. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. It is clear? And why? The reason is it forms linear pair. This is your straight line. Another line is going to meet on this one. So sum of the angle is 180 degree. Understood now? So now what is the value of y? Here 30 is given. The value of y is equal to 30. Is equal to 30 degree. That means 30 degree 180 degree. Now x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. X degree is equal to what you will write? 150 degree. See this one? X is equal to 150 degree, 150 degree. So x is equal to x degree is equal to z degree is equal to 150 degree. Why? What are the reason? Do you know? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angle. Opposite angles. If vertically opposite angles are equal, then it is, and u is equal to y. U is equal to y is equal to what you will write? That is 30 degree. 30 degree. The reason is same, vertically opposite angle. So I am writing this way. Vertically opposite angles. Here also angles are equal. Understood now? Thank you. If you have any problem, you contact me.